Go to the first link provided in the description section and search for your Raspberry Pi version and download the image. To flash the image to the memory card, open the Etcher tool and select the downloaded image and then select the memory card and then click flash. After the flashing is done, connect the Raspberry Pi to the computer through a Ethernet cable. Then go to the address 192.168.1.1 and click login, and then go to the network interfaces and here edit the LAN configuration, and here change the device to 80 and the protocol to DHCP client, and then click save and then apply. Here also click apply. Then disconnect the Raspberry Pi from the computer and connect it to the router and wait until it boots up. Then connect the computer to the router over Wi-Fi. Then go to the Raspberry Pi's address, and here you can see the Raspberry Pi is connected to the router as a DHCP client, and you can access it over the router.